doing in here?
No, we good. We good.
Y'all are good?
Yes.
All right, come on out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
No one thing is,
You need an ambulance, girl?
no, baby. No one
We're
thing
on the
is,
stop.
passing him.
Huh?
I'm over here passing him.
Okay, come over here. Come over here with me.
Oh, bad because I'm passing him.
Do you need an ambulance?
No.
Why are you all bloody?
No, because I got into an accident.
No.
I totaled my car the week before, right?
Okay.
So, like,
Make your 5 good out here. Thank you.
that's my review.
Who is he?
That's my guy. He's traveling from New York. She's not.
Is he your boyfriend?
No.
You're drunk? Was he hitting you?
No,
Were you hitting him? Why are you bleeding?
He would never. Only that happens because the risk.
Where's
He's in the car.
Uh-huh.
Were y'all fighting?
No. I promise you, he would never do me that.
Okay, what's y'all's problem then?
He's very sober. He wants to go back to New York. Like,
who is she to you?
A friend.
A friend?
Yes.
How long you guys been friends for?
A long time. Right now, I just trying to get this.
So you guys are just friends?
Yes. No, we go. That's my wife.
That's your wife?
Yes.
Okay. How long you guys been married for?
3 years.
Let me get your ID.
So you're telling me right now, y'all were not physically fighting.
no, he's not.
So why are all these people saying y'all were fighting?
No, he's not like that. I promise you, I swear to God, my mom was like he was not. He
Okay.
would
Do me a
never.
favor. Have a seat right here. Have a seat right
I
here.
promise you, I
Okay,
promise you.
I hear you. Just have a seat for me.
Like,
Have a seat for a second. Can you stand by?
Yeah.
I promise you, he was not doing anything to me. Like, he was not disrespectful. Like, he was not.
Well, I just got here, so I don't even know what happened.
He wasn't hitting her.
No, he wasn't hitting her. He was just doing this to like trying to get her.
And they was outside the car, and like, and she tried to keep punching him in his face, and I guess she wrapped around his neck.
We were just like arguing a little bit, but the only thing is because I'm a Latina, I'm jealous. That's why, like,
Who drives this car?
he hit him a little bit.
What's up?
Him. Hey, that
You was
was
driving
it.
this?
Yeah, that was it.
Where were you at?
In the passenger, but I was going home.
I know her, but I don't know her like that. She broke my chain.
You just told me you guys are married.
No, we're not married, sir. I'm sorry.
But you just told me you guys are married.
No, because I just don't want her to be in trouble, but she broke my chain, everything, bro.
All right, man. Enough games. Are you guys married?
No.
Is she your friend?
No.
Is she your girlfriend? Stop with the whole bullshit.
nothing.
What are you guys?
We just friends.
You guys are just friends.
Yes.
First friends, then girlfriend, then wife. Well, what are you guys?
Friends. Like I said.
So cut the bullshit, man. What happened?
She punched me in my face, broke my chain, everything, son. Look at me.
All right, so you want fresh charges?
No,
So what do you want done?
I just want to get on about my day. I got a flight to catch. I'm from New York.
So you're saying nothing happened between y'all?
And maybe you were soft. Like,
You got blood everywhere. Yeah. Her and the dude in there.
I get big.
We're going at it while he was driving, and he kept looking at the front of the car. What did he say happened?
So, what did she tell you?
They said that she was beating his ass inside the car while he was coming this way, and he like crashed over there.
While he was driving?
While he was driving, she was in the car punching him. What did he say?
Well, first they're friends, then they're married, now they're just friends. So
Yeah, she said he's not her boyfriend.
Yeah, they're just friends. So
So did he say she was with him?
Yeah.
Does he want to press charges?
He said no.
He doesn't want to do anything?
No, he just wants his car fixed.
Okay.
What does she want?
She's so
She said
drunk
nothing
right now. She's
She said nothing happened. She said they were just arguing because she got a little jealous over something. She said nothing physical happened at all.
Okay.
And that he was the one driving.
So was this a mutual friend in the car?
She's saying nothing happened at all.
Hey, Jonathan.
Jonathan. Hey. Jonathan. Okay. Let me talk to you. Thank you.
All right, listen, hear me out.
She got my phone, bro.
Okay, I will take care of that. But you're telling me a whole bunch of different things.
I know, I'm sorry.
She's telling me nothing happened. You're telling me something happened.
I promise you, I respect your service. Thank you for your service so much. I swear you're.
How'd you get blood all over yourself?
You're clearly lying to us because something happened. Look at you. You're
I mean,
bleeding
you're
everywhere.
clearly doing too much, and I'm not gonna talk to you
I'm
anymore.
doing too much.
I'm gonna tell you right now that I got into an accident, a week ago. Sunday, a week ago today.
She punched me in my face and
Okay.
we hit the bump.
What, the speed bump or whatever?
Yes.
Okay.
That's,
You haven't showered in a week. That's why you got blood all over you now.
and you haven't checked yourself in a week, so I'm gonna just tell you right now. I swear to God, bro, you know.
What kind of phone is it?
It's an iPhone.
Like a black iPhone?
Yeah.
Great.
But
You were driving the car? You was driving the car.
I don't care, babe.
Black
I
iPhone?
don't care.
Hello, do you have a black iPhone?
Hey, who was driving when it crashed? You or her?
me.
You were driving?
Yes.
Is it your car?
Yes.
Okay, you have your ID on you?
I don't. It's still there.
You can grab it.
Do you have his phone or no?
Puppy.
Hey, I'm not Poppy. Do you have his phone or no?
I don't care who you are.
Okay.
You're my uncle, right? I'm his respected brother.
Alright, you know what? Forget it. Forget it.
I tried talking to these people, and they just stared at me.
What about these people over here?
I don't care about
What about those people over there?
I haven't tried talking to them. Oh, actually, no, she went over there.
as a man.
She did walk over there, but I don't
Oh,
know to what extent.
we called a tow truck. So what's gonna happen? They're gonna have to tow this.
They gonna have to tow this?
They can't fix the tire because the whole thing is broken.
I'm doing that.
It's been a long day for
I'm
everyone.
doing that. So I'm like, I'm scared over here. Like, I really am scared. But I do love my baby.
He was driving. She was beating his ass while he was driving. Hit the curb over there.
Yeah, he said he talked to the 13-year-old over here.
Yeah.
He saw everything, but he is 13.
I know.
Right there. You see it?
Did you hit the sign?
No. No, I ain't hit the sign.
Where the black,
curve.
the...
curve. You see how it curves in? The curve right there where the flowers right there.
Okay, there?
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Alright, cool. Just go hang out with my partner, alright?
Where is this police officer? Because I'm going to write a complaint. I'm going to
what?
write a grievance.
A grievance?
I have fully respect. Thank you for the service. I'm not going to lie. But
Why don't you go back over here?
I don't care how you talk to me. Yeah, you look at you like,
Didn't say anything. You're lovely.
yeah.
God, Jesus.
Okay.
I respect you guys.
Well, your car's getting towed, so.
Alright, cool.
There were more people out here, but they've since left.
Yeah, the car's gonna be towed.
And she's very up and down. Sometimes she likes it, sometimes she doesn't.
What's up?
But the thing is, I can't tow that car
Why?
because that is a rental.
You said it's your car.
No, it's a rental.
Where y'all going? Jesse!
Okay. So because it was involved in a crash,
JC,
yeah, it's a cluster. But
No.
careful, get out of the road. I'm so sorry, but can you cancel our tow truck, please? You need my help, Landon?
No. Just Big 41. He doesn't want anything with the car. Now he doesn't want anything to do with the situation, whatever happened. If he wants to do a complaint withdrawal, I'll just do that.
Yes, and that's what I'm trying. That's what I'm trying to do. But I'm trying to get her out. That's a big problem, right? That's my biggest problem. Y'all have not got my biggest problem.
Are you gonna get out of the car or not? Let's go.
Get the up, please.
Come on.
I'll give you
Get
a call.
step.
Sir,
Get walking. Come on, get out the car.
Okay.
Get out the car. Let's go.
I'm getting my car, bitch.
I've been trying to contact them. We got an alert saying they got hit.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's brand new.
He rented it from you, though.
Yeah, I've got it through Turo.
Toro. Okay.
Can I just pull up here?
Yes.
Just hang out right here, man. Pull up down there. Don't get out of your car. They're gonna go 10-15 on her end.
For what?
I have no idea. They just told me they're going 10-15.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I really am sorry. Like, I do take you as a woman, as a hand,
Come on,
as a man.
Step out.
As a,
Step
shut
out.
the f-
Step out.
Out of the car.
Step
No.
out.
Out of the car.
Out. Out of the car. Get up.
Don't I dare you, like,
Get up.
stop. I promise you, I'm gonna
Face the car.
I would never do like that. You guys are stupid. What the is wrong with you guys? I would never do like that. I would never serve a woman or a man in service. Like I would never do that. Like that. Because you're a human too, so don't tell me that I would disrespect you. I would never disrespect you. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. No, you don't want me to disrespect me.
Guess what?
You
What?
stupid bitch. Look at you.
That's fat, Leo. Yep.
No.
Sure did.
No.
Sure
To
did.
myself.
Nope.
Myself. Look at you. Look, you feel big, right? I would never
And you're a grown adult. You just spit on a police officer.
I know. I know.
You want to switch sides?
I will be a firefighter.
Yeah, not anymore.
Today.
Here, look this.
No, I think.
Stop.
Yeah, you guys making my arm.
You already spit on me. I'm gonna drop you on the ground. You keep moving.
Son of a, don't touch me! Don't touch me! I'll kill you! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Good.
Don't touch me! 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 Please, I will comply. But please don't touch me.
Perfect.
Please don't touch me. I will.
Get in the car.
Alright.
Perfect.
Stop, please.